Here's a checklist to enhance your website accessibility levels with minimal effort. Part 1. Make sure to save this video and follow our page for the second part, as well as other useful website accessibility tips. Checklist item number 1. Keyboard navigation. Add a shortcut menu for an efficient keyboard navigation across the website, ensuring all of the elements can be interacted with using only the keyboard in a logical order, from left to right, making sure that the focus is visible. Or you can simply use the keyboard navigation and screen reader adjustment functions in EqualWeb's Auto AI menu that will do it all for you. The focus will be visible and logic. It will add a shortcut menu to the header of the website, as well as labels to empty links and empty buttons. Checklist item number 2. Image description. Provide a descriptive alternative text for all images, describing their content or purpose. This helps users who are visually impaired or rely on screen readers to understand the visual elements. Or you can simply use the image description function in EqualWeb's Auto AI widget that will automatically add alt text using OCR technologies. You can also modify the alternative text quickly and easily from EqualWeb's alt text editor. That's the first part of the checklist, so stay tuned for part 2. Follow EqualWeb for more web accessibility tips and share this video to spread awareness about inclusive design.